Hi guys, welcome to my channel. On today's episode, oh, there it is. Can you see it? Right there. Yep, it is a beautiful Wobbegong. It's part of the shark family, and it was just sitting on the rock, minding its own business. Look at those patterns. They blend in quite well, which you will see later on. So I always wave to them just to say hi. And I'm getting quite close, and the next minute it's going to turn on me. Look at those patterns and the colors. So, yep, this is my backyard, Bondi Beach, Sydney, Australia. And all of a sudden, it decides to take off in a second. There, and it's coming. And I'm like, where am I going? Oh my god, oh, this close. But then just slowly glides away. Oh my goodness, how beautiful is this animal. Anyway, if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Have a good day.